you run over his head.
Yeah.
No! Get away from it. Stop it. Danielle, stop it.
I know how to make
I have
a video.
witnesses and I will call the
I know how
cops.
to make a video. The bird should have flat of the car. Maybe his car's gonna be free. We got one more question. Maybe he couldn't fly. Maybe he was a little tiny bird trying to get out the street.
What do you think?
Well, I think he was there for a long time.
How long?
I just went over it. Fish must long. Don't do that.
Look at the evil. The evilness in her eyes.
Okay. I run over the thing.
Look at this poor squawking bird with his gizzards ripped out of him.
I'm gonna kill him.
Stop, because he might have rabies. Quit it. Oh, he's foaming at the mouth, y'all. Scared.
What?
Okay, well, everybody say bye-bye to my mama bird. Say bye, my mama bird.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, my mama bird. Say bye, my mama bird.
His eyes open.
His eyes are open. JR, give him mouth to mouth. Give him mouth to mouth, and maybe he'll come back. Everybody do your best bird call. Go ahead. Did you just say seagull? Go.
Seagull. My bird.
Shut up. You shut
My
up.
bird.
Okay.
That's rules.
Good job. Tuki. And you. Say bye, my mama bird. Let's go.